Hello filmmaker, welcome to Raw Production UK YouTube channel. I'm sure today's topic you'll like it. It is very popular and affordable camera. I'm going to discuss about that. Not about the camera, obviously. I'm talking about what accessory I use for that camera. Probably you can consider for that one as well. Yes, Blackmagic 6K. This camera is very affordable, and a lot of people do their reviews when the camera release, but would like to do slightly later. That means a lot of issues you can find out, a lot of footage we can compare with other footages, you can compare with other cameras as well. So today, after a year, our company bought the Blackmagic 6K camera. We normally use red with cine lenses, but we have got like plenty of lenses as well. So we thought, let's use this camera as a second camera. Let's utilize our expensive EF lenses. That's why we decided to buy this camera. This camera is very affordable. In UK, around £2,000 you can get the body. But the most important thing is, yeah, the camera is cheap, but obviously you need to really think about the accessories. Without accessories, you'll be really struggling to use that camera. That's for sure. Everybody knows about it. Based on the comment, based on the reviews on the YouTube, and based on the reviews from different filmmakers, we decided to go for a couple of accessories, which is like, we think is a must-have accessories. The Blackmagic 6K camera normally, is a very good camera. I know it's not quite near to the red camera anyway, because red camera is more powerful, more, like a horse. Blackmagic camera is a very light pocket camera, and you can take wherever you want to go. Okay, if you have got a very congested area, you can use it. If you want to do handheld shoots, you can use it. If you want to take an unexpected scene, you can take it. However, this is not the same as like the red, but as very few people can differentiate between two of them by looking the footage. The footage is outstanding. Okay, let's discuss about that camera and the best accessories for that one. To be honest, it's quite new. We only tried a couple of times. Obviously, it's really a really good camera. It's very light, and really don't know why the filmmaker need this one like the photographer. But again, I just put it here just to see how it looks like. Let's go and discuss about the accessories. And again, this accessories is a filmmaker, is a company. We reviewed this one, and we thought they are the best accessories for this camera. You probably disagree with me, but obviously what we do in a regular basis, I'm sure that will do the job for us. Let's start. Okay, number one accessories obviously you need for the camera is a memory card. You need to have the right size, and you need to have this very reliable as well. So going through the different reviews and different filmmakers' reviews and experience, I think probably you agree with everybody's as well. Samsung T5 is the best option. This external hard drive, very easy to use, and it is very easy for the post-production as well. If you are using 6K in a RAW, even this 1 TB would not last long. Okay, that you really need to think about it. So I really recommend you need to have another piece of that one as well, so you can keep going with the different things. But again, how many of you shoot in the 6K? Personally, me, 6K RAW, very rarely. The another accessory you need is a battery. If you are using this camera, obviously you use for the project, It's not only for the fun. I know sometimes people use to practice, etc., etc., but your main purpose to use this camera is making film, making music video, making commercial, etc. So the battery is really important thing. You have got like LPE6 battery which fit into this camera, but it doesn't last. If you have got a very expensive source to be taken, then sometime it will ruin your footage. So always make sure you have got the battery which lasts longer. As we are the filmmaker, we use the RED camera. Obviously V-mount battery is the best option. I know it is heavy. That camera is obviously used for, you know, the handy purpose. That's why the name is pocket. However, I strongly recommend to have the another type of battery which can last longer for your project. Again, this is our recommendation, and the price wise and the reliability, obviously we got the good feedback on that one as well. So Ender is the best option. It's not very expensive. I think now it is £64 in the UK, and you can put in like a 15mm reel as well. This comes with this V-mount as well, and obviously the cable we need, and this will come with this one as well. So the battery is a very key things for the Blackmagic. You know, don't rely on the LPE6 battery. And if you are doing the shooting, you know, whole day shooting the different project, you need to have the right battery in place. Another must-have accessories is tilter full case for this camera. As you know, this camera is very light, and if you are having the other accessories, obviously you will not have enough spaces there, and if you're using the daily basis, you want to make it safe. Okay, so the Tilta is a very renowned brand for the filmmaker. It's very reliable brand, and you can see this one. You can add a lot of accessories there. You can add a lot of screw there, and it's very light as well. This is the one you can hold your T5, Samsung T5. This comes with that one as well, so that will make it safe for your memory card when you are filming. It comes with a HDMI connector as well. It has got another one, you know, USB mini kind of things as well. So it is really important to have this one. And obviously, as I mentioned earlier, this is the full case, and you have got this handle as well. So this is the one we really recommend for the Blackmagic 6K. For the lenses wise, I would recommend 4 lenses. Again, this is our recommendation. You don't have to have the 4. A lot of people shoot with the 1 lens and they do the fantastic job. So you can see this one is a Canon 24-105, which is 4 stop, and it is 2.8. You can see that one here as well. As this is 70-200 2.8. This is 16-35 and 2.8 as well, and this is a prime lens 1.8 50mm Canon. I'd like to show you what I discussed today. This is the one Tilta full case for the Blackmagic 6K. You can see this one here. It has got the SSD T5 holder as well. As I mentioned earlier, please have an extra hard drive. This is a V-mount. It is very cheap, plus quite nice. Looks like quite strong. It comes with a different cable accessories to link with the other accessories, and all the lenses I discussed about this one today here. If you have got this, all the accessories, if you can afford like or some, then obviously your picture will be outstanding. And to be honest, we use the RED camera, and I compare the footage between these two cameras. Sometimes I really really like this the texture quality of this Blackmagic pocket camera. You know, it is very affordable, very easy to use, very simple, you know, and obviously the massive viewfinder on the back of the camera. So basically this is really good. A lot of people talk about like 6K, 4K, why we need a 6K, and obviously, to be honest, any latest version is always good. A lot of fault, a lot of problem in the previous version, they normally fix in the next version as well. So if you're buying, I would really recommend Blackmagic 6K and enjoy. Please subscribe our channel. We'll discuss about more about the product, more about the different kind of camera, and obviously if you're a filmmaker, if you're really keen to know about the filmmaking or any commercial, what we are really planning to do next is obviously we'll be filming on the spot as well, to show you know how we do the project in different locations and different project. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye now.